Hey guys, welcome back to Run Ram Run and welcome to an interesting vlog. I am currently at Bir. I have completed 7 days of training as a P1 P2 paragliding pilot successfully without any injuries. It was a surreal experience and I have no words to express how it was. So I'll show you how my journey was, explain you through it as the video progresses.
I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out, no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe. I should be scared of admitting you so, but I ain't worried about it right now. Keeping dreams alive, 1999 heroes. I ain't worried about it right now. Swimming in the floods, dancing on the battlefield.
Hey guys, this is Ishna Yadav and it will be my fifth flight today. मैं थोड़ा सा सीनियर हूँ, just like a B.Tech का third year student and ये सब beginners हैं. ये अभी अपनी first flight लेंगे. Kids. Kids.
Hi everyone, my name is Harsh. I am new to this college and I like Krishna bhai very much. He is my tutor.
मैं तो कुछ सिखाया भी नहीं भाई.
No, you taught us a lot of things.
I'm shit scared. My first flight. Hey guys, I'm Abhishek. It's my 10th flight. I'm super excited.
Super excited. Nice. Any
And this is
important?
This is Gandalf the Grey.
हाँ, the most important thing जो आपको करनी है दिमाग मत चलाना. Don't get your brains into your first flight. Whatever they say, just do that.
We are all goats.
You're all good.
Never mind. That's my feeling at the moment. Everything is black and blank, so totally fucked in mind. Mom and Dad, if you're seeing this video and if this is releasing, I'm grateful for whatever you guys did. Thank you so much.
And it's not gonna be a last, man.
Just making sure
It's just
everything is
beginning.
all ready. Alright, I'm excited and equally scared.
Why are you so scared, man? Don't be scared, just be blank.
Alright, that's a good suggestion. Stay blank.
Yeah.
Cheers. All get up. The sun is out. The landing site is somewhere there. Yeah, it's right somewhere behind there. The first flight jitters are on.
Sorry, not Amar. Just go straight to landing. Don't say sorry, okay? Just keep running. That's it.
So this takeoff site at Billing is the second highest in the world and is really beautiful. Though at the first moment during the first flight at the takeoff, I was shit scared. But with the radio comm on, they were instructing me on not to panic and just enjoy the view. And as I started getting the flow, it was just wow. But again, it's not for faint-hearted. 2, it's physically asking. 3, every adventure sport is risky. And this one could be on top of the list. It is like one of the riskiest sport, but at the same time anti-gravity school or any other training school here ensures that all the equipment is intact and you have zero possibilities of malfunction of equipment. It's only a human error that is done by you. They'll ensure even that is completely zeroed down with the training. So I would still, I still feel that it is okay. It's not risky if you put in all your heart and hard work in the training. You will be confident enough and you will land safely. And it is unexplainable, unbelievable experience. So coming to Adventure Play, who have organized this trip, they have done it really well, I would say. So they have tied up with anti-gravity school here, the paragliding school, and they have the best trainers. Trust me, I'm not even exaggerating. They really have the best pilots to get the best out of us. So this package of training and stay is all taken care by Adventure Play, who have done it really smooth. It doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. The P1, P2 training along with the accom was very reasonably priced. It's like around 30 to 33,000 depending on what you choose. The certificate that I've received as a P1, P2 certified paragliding pilot, I think this is far more satisfying. It's much better than the graduation degree certificate that I've received, because this made me step far out of my comfort zone. So it was really asking, but at the same time, the sense of achievement after finishing the flights is wow.
Starting the impact, थोड़ा फिर chest up करके run करना है, then release and check and then go, okay? Pull. Easy, release and check. Keep running, check. Keep running, both hands up. Hands back, speed. मुट्ठी बंद कर. Close your fist. Hands up.
So guys, just done with my first day of paragliding training. It was more of land training, but it was very exhausting. I thought it's just land training and it'll be easy, but man, pulling that and raising that up is quite an ask, and it's very heavy too. So it drains out all the energy from you. But luckily there is Charlie's Cafe right opposite to the landing site. So you can just come down, grab a nice drink and get back the energy. So it's going to be a 7-day training. I will get you through each day. So the first day was more about the trainer explaining the controls and teaching us how to understand his commands. Day 2. Hey guys, I'm just done with the first half of day 2 training. Just took a nice shower and I'm just waiting for the next half. And sorry if I'm not adding a lot of content of how the training goes. That's because it's better to concentrate on the training part rather than shooting there, because it's a life and death thing. If you don't get the training right, you would be clueless mid-air. So these first 4 days of training where we would be training on the ground, it is very suggestible to concentrate more, understand how the commands are and how to react to those commands from the trainer, and also to develop a muscle memory. In the first few days, if you get those basics wrong, you will get used to those. So it's better to focus a lot and understand each of those commands and the postures correctly so that nothing goes wrong during your flight. So with that being said, I am gonna explore more of Bir Billing once the training is done. I'll be showing you glimpses of the training now and then. And guys, the untold truth about Bir is that it's got a lovely stretch for cycling as well in this beautiful valley. Just look around. I'll show you around, and that's the path. Let me show you how it looks. Are not just about paragliding. There are so many natural waterfalls and nice mountain ranges here that you can just spend your evening, have a good sunset view. And also, if you have that thing for cold water showers, then you have to look at this waterfall.
थोड़ी सी न्यू गाँव में ना कमाने
cafe. This has one of the best sunset views around. Guys, do observe the Buddha's hand carefully. There you go. There is Tropicana juice there, bourbon biscuits. Really interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please let me know if you have any queries or anything that you want to know about Bir or Billing in the comment section below. I'll make sure that I answer every question of yours. And for more such interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to Run Ram Run.